Here we are at one of our latest acquisitions. We just closed with the homeowner. He's extremely happy. I want to take you through this property and show you exactly what we were dealing with and why he is a happy client.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how was your experience? How was everything, the whole process?
10 plus.
10 plus.
Yeah,
everything
the people were what made it. That day in your office was just a blast with y'all.
That's awesome. We like to have a good time. You know, we like to have positive vibes, good energy in there, and
I see why you're
on the same page. So yeah, I appreciate it.
As you can see, this property needs tons of repairs, and he needed a cash offer. He had been under contract with his neighbor. They could not get the deal done.
You tried to sell it to the neighbor, though, right?
Well, and the neighbor lady across the street wanted it, and she was making it so complicated. So I think I called and talked to you, and I said, you know, you keep it simple, and you give me 122, I'll take it. You said that we can make that work.
I think we can make that work.
He called us, and we closed it in less than 3 weeks.
3 weeks ago, and here we are closed today. The money's going in the account, and everybody's happy.
As you can see, this house was horrible. Had green carpet throughout the home that we have to rip out.
What was the situation beforehand, though? You had the nuns in there. You were renting it out.
We rented it out for 30 years.
30 years
to two wonderful nuns who got old. When they were moving out, there was a couple other people were interested in it, and I think I had contacted you, and then somebody from your office contacted me back, and I just had it in my phone, so I said, I want to try them. I breathed a total sigh of relief at your kindness and your understanding of the situation.
There we go. So just to clarify, we were under contract. We got under contract. What was it, beginning of January? Was it January? Or
no, it was like January 5th or 6th.
January 5th or so. And then today is the 15th? Is it the 15th? 17th. So we're closing in about 2-3 weeks for it. Yeah. Close it pretty quick. I'd like to ask you if you could recommend a friend or colleague to us, would you recommend them to us?
Of course.
And
I have other properties I might come back to you with.
There you go. So, awesome. Well, I'm glad it was a good experience, and I would love to.
Do you do anything in Bernie?
Absolutely.
Okay, I got a little building in Bernie that might be for sale over the next year or so.
There you go. We'd love to work with you.
We'll help the same business.
Well, hey, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for doing business with us, doing a little video here. And any real estate in the future, I'd love to help you with.
We'll be there for you. With you, not for you, with
you and for you.
So there it is. As you can tell, this house needed everything from roofing to electrical to HVAC and full cosmetic updates. We were the right buyer for this property. We closed it fast, on time, and had a happy seller. So if you're looking to sell your house and like a cash offer, no commissions, no gimmicks, we pay all the closing costs, reach out to me, David Calloway, and we'd love to help you sell your house.